Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you about compound interest. Okay, now if you watch this video according to the playlist, according to the arrangement of the playlist, so by this time you already know there are three rates involved in this chapter. The first one is R, simple interest, D, bank discount, and this one is J, for compound interest. Now, how compound interest differs from simple interest is that maybe from this example we can show you the difference. Okay, now let's say we deposit 1,000 ringgit, 5% per year, and then we simpan for 3 years. So if it's simple, if this 5% is simple interest, so what happened to the 1,000? Okay, maybe we can have a number line over here. So this 1,000 going through 3 years, this 3 years, and then it becomes what? 3 multiplied 0.5 plus 1 multiplied by 1,000. Okay, so it will become 1150. If it's compound, if it's compound interest, it works differently because we need to calculate, since the 5% is per year, so the interest is calculated every year. In simple interest, we calculate the interest at the end of the period, like one go. We get the principal, okay, how much, how long, okay, done, settled, done already. Okay, but compound interest, we calculate them since we have 3 years, we have 3 years over here, so we must calculate it 3 times. So this 1,000, we calculate how much? 5%, 5%. Okay, so 5%, 1,000, apa nak kira pula? 10,050. Okay, we calculate one more time, 5% some more. Okay, so we get 1102.5, and then we calculate another 5%. Again, 5, we get, we get 1,157.63. Okay, doesn't fit. 63. Now you see, if it's compounded interest, then the future value over here is different from simple interest. So this is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. We calculate it so many times. That is why we call it compounded. This one compounded already, this one compounded, become this one. Because we get the principal for the next one is the interest for the previous one. That's why we keep accumulating, because there's a quote somewhere in the internet. It says compound interest is the most powerful thing in the world. And it is. If you save money, if you save the correct amount of money to the point that you don't have to work anymore. But still we have to pay for the tax or whatever. So we cannot do that anymore. We have to work also. We have to work to do business, work for people or something like that. Now let's move on to the formula. That we're done with the concept. Now the formula involved is S equals P bracket 1 plus I to the power of N, where N is T multiplied by M and I is J over M. And also the last one is the I lah. I is the interest amount. S minus P. S, what are these stands for is like this one. I think it's too small lah. Tak apalah. Okay, so P is the principal amount or present value. S is the compound amount or the future value. Not compound amount. Wait. Oh well. T is the time of term is years of the loan or the deposit involved. M is the number of compounding periods per year. Okay, for every year, how many times the interest is calculated? Okay, in our example here, in this case is every year this is every year, right? Every year we calculate it once, so the M is 1. In this case lah, in this example. Okay, there are some other example where we calculated it more than one time. Okay, so for example, if the banks offer you a certain rate and then they said this rate compounded biannually. Biannually means in 1 year they calculated it for you 2 times. Okay, so the M is 2. Okay, maybe for another example is that they calculated for you daily. If the interest is calculated daily, means what? They will calculate in 1 year, they will calculate 365 times. Or maybe 360, forgot which one. But still, more or less like that. Okay, for example, another example, maybe they calculate the monthly. Okay, monthly means the M is 12. So, if you deposit the money on the 1st January, okay, at the end of January, they calculate the interest. And then they put back the money inside the deposit. Okay? And then, in February, they calculate for the second time. March, calculate some more. April, calculate some more. That's the example if the M is 12. Okay? So, okay, enough with the M. Okay, now J is the yearly interest rate or nominal rate. Okay, so we use the formula and then we can get lah. Or maybe if you think this one so simple, we can change lah. We can substitute this one inside the function. Maybe we can get like this 1 plus I. I is what? I is J over M. And then N. N is what? TM, right? So MT. Okay. TM or MT, doesn't matter, same thing also. So this is the full formula. Okay, if you don't want to half-hal this one separately, yeah. Okay, so enough with that. Let's go to the example. Okay, now first example, Dania borrowed 12,000 in a bank. At the end of 7 years, she has to pay 25,000. If the bank pays an interest of H% per year compounded every 6 months, find the value of H. Now, she borrowed 12,000, so this one is the principal. This 25k is the future value, S. At the end of 7 years is the time needed for her to pay. Okay, or maybe for the loan to mature. Okay, and then pays the interest of H%. This is what we want to figure out lah, clearly. Okay. And then next one, compounded every 6 months. Every 6 months, so in a year means what? From January to June, one time. From July to December, another time. So total 1 year, 2 times. Okay, so the M is 2. So let's write the formula first. 1 plus JM MT. Okay, so it's the J lah. Okay, so S is what? 25000 equals PP 12,000. Okay, 1 plus J is H. No, the J is not H. Okay, J is not H. H%, so we have to divide H by 100. Okay, it must be divided by 100. So H over 100 over MM is what? 2. Okay, and then MT, 2 multiplied by 7 over here. So 2 multiplied by 7. Okay, and then 25 over 12 lah sebenarnya. 25 over 12. Okay, and then 1 plus H over 100 over 2. Okay, and then this 14. Okay, now what we do, this power of 14, we put a 14th root for each side. Okay, so what we do is we take the 14th root of 25 over 12. And then 1 plus h over 100 over 2. So 25 over 12. Okay, and then taking the 14th root of the figure, we get this one. I use calculator, I get 1.053824. I take lah so many, easy later. Okay, and then 1 plus h over 100 over 2. Okay, and then 1 over there minus, so 0.053824, and h over 100 over 2. 2 also bring there. Okay, and then multiply by 2. Okay, so h over 100. Okay, so I get 0.10765, and h is multiplied by 100 is 10.77%. Okay, so the rate is 10.77%, which is quite high. Very good, quite high. What kind of loan is this? Walao, even personal loan is not this high. Oh well. Okay, let's continue with the second one. Okay, Nora Jashkin wants to triple her money by saving her KWSP money in investment. She don't want to put her money in KWSP anymore. She want to withdraw all of them and then put in another investment instrument. Investment company that promise her an interest rate of 12% PA. PA, this PA stands for per annum. Means per year lah. Okay. It's compounded monthly. Okay, so this 12 is the J, 0.12. Compounded monthly means M is 12. How long? For sure the T is what we want. Okay, she wants to triple her money. So the P and S we don't know. But what we know is the P will become triple, the S will become triple of the P. So if the P is K, so the S will be 3K. Okay, so we can use this figure and then put in the formula. Okay, now what is the formula? S equals P1 plus J over M MT. Okay, so P means 3K, K lah. 1 plus J 0.12 over 12 MT, 12T. Okay, settle. Now this K can potong, so leave us with 3. And then what is this? Okay, 0.12 divided by 12 plus 1. So what we have is 1.01 to the power of 12T. The problem is to figure out this T over here, but we can use logarithm to solve it. So we log both sides. We use base 10 lah. Naturally you use base 10. If you want to be more natural, you use natural log. Okay, and then from here we know this power can bring in front. So 12T log 1.01 log 3. Log 3 is that, but no need later. Okay, so log 3. So what we want is 12T is log 3 over log 1.1. Okay, and then we get log 3 divide log 1.01. Okay, what I get 110.409624. Okay, and then divide by 12. Further, we get 9.2008. No need lah. Okay, so the period involved is 9.2 years. Okay, now let's How many examples? 4. Oh, 3 only. Okay. So, the third example is about Dasila wants to save 12,000 for 5 years in Bank Tipu Orang. The bank has 2 deposit products as follows to suit her need. Okay. The first product is Simpan Selamat. Maybe I highlight lah in yellow. Simpan Selamat. Okay. And then next one, Saving Secure. Saving Secure. 5% every 4 months. Okay. So we have the yellow one and we have the blue one. Okay. And then the first question is calculate the future value for both product. Which product is better? Why? Okay. How much she must save in Saving Secure so that she get the same future value as Simpan Selamat. Okay, tak apa. We do A first. Maybe I make it small like this. Sorry. Can. A fit over there. I guess I do over here lah. Okay. Now for A, calculate the future value for both product. So we calculate for Simpan Selamat first. Simpan Selamat is we have the principal is 12,000. The S we want. Okay, what is the TMJ? The T is 5 years. M is every quarter. Every quarter means every quarter. In 1 year there are 4 quarters. Okay, so every quarter, if we do all the quarters in 1 year, so the M is 4. Okay. Done lah. Okay, so the S is 12,000. 1 plus J. Oh, J forgot. Okay, 6%. 0.06. Okay, don't forget if it's compound interest, if it's J, compound interest is J, right? So you must take out TMJ, the TMJ. The 3 things is one set. Okay, if you know it's a compound interest J, you must take out the TMJ from the question. So we have the T is 5, M is 4, J is 0.06. Okay, so 0.06 over 4. Okay, and then TM 20. Okay, and then I get lah. Okay, the figure. Okay, so 0.06 divided by 4 plus 1 power 20. Okay, then multiply by 20%. Okay, so I get 16,162.26 ringgit. Okay, now this is for Simpan Selamat. How about Saving Secure? Saving Secure. So for Saving Secure, P is the same thing, 12K, and the T is 5. Okay, the M is different every 4 months. Every 4 months doesn't mean 4 times in 1 year. Every 4 months, if you do things every 4 months, in 1 year you already did the thing 3 times. Okay, okay, so don't get confused lah. And the percent is 0.05. Okay, and then okay, so we get P pula, sorry. So the future value is 12,000. 1 plus 0.05 over 4 pula, over 3, sorry. And then 15. Okay, why 15? Because TM 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, and then calculate 5 over 3 plus 1 power 15 multiply 12,000. Okay, so the return is a little bit less. Okay, 59 cents. Okay. So it's 15,000. That one is 16,000. Okay, now so we answer the first part, the A part. Okay, calculate. Now, which product is better? Why? Okay, clearly Simpan Selamat is better. Simpan Selamat is better. It is because the interest is greater. Not the interest rate, the interest is greater. Why the interest is greater? Because if you get the I, the 16,162.26, you minus 12,000, okay, you get 4,162.26 cents, okay. Whereas if you get the interest from saving secure, the interest is only, you minus by 12,000, you merely get 3,376.59 cents. Okay, so the interest is way less lah. Okay, so C, how much must she save in saving secure if she decided for the blue one, saving secure? Okay, so that she get the same future value as Simpan Selamat. So we know the future value of Simpan Selamat is this one. Okay, if she wants to save in saving secure, okay, how much she need to save it? Okay, so what we have to do is very simple. Okay, we take this formula for saving secure. Okay, copy, I put it here. Okay, and then this is for saving secure. But the problem is we want to know what is the principal. So we want to know the principal. And how about the S? The S, the future value as Simpan Selamat. Now, what is the future value of Simpan Selamat? Is 16,162.26. So 16,162.26 cent, and then we just calculate for the rest. Okay, so for this one, 3 plus 1, 115. Okay, and then 16,162.26 divide by answer. Okay, so she needs to deposit 12,613 ringgit and 14 cent in saving secure in order for her to get the same amount in Simpan Selamat, the future value. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.